Yo, what's happening, everybody? It's your boy Jalen coming at y'all with another video. It's episode two or maybe one, depending on if I can release the other one or not, of my Illinois rebuild. We are in the national championship. We are in year three. Uh, I would have started recording before, but I didn't have the equipment, so I didn't feel like restarting over with a new team or restarting a new Illinois dynasty. So I just said, forget it. Let's just do it on this one already. Let's win this coin toss. Of course they win it. And they're gonna kick. Oh, they received. Okay, defense, stop them, please. Yes, sir. I never like getting the ball first at all. I don't like this play. We're gonna run it. We're gonna audible. I want to go to the left, but I saw a dude break through those two blockers like it was nothing. So I just decided to run it up the middle or to the right. Run my whole play right there. We're gonna run out of bounds. 12-yard pickup. We're gonna run this play. Power O. Play action power O. Let's see what happened. Did he throw that off his back foot? I didn't mean to throw that on my back foot if I did. I wasn't paying attention for it. I'm trying to force quick and easy. My difficulty is on Heisman. I will show you after this play. Oh my gosh. I thought dude was gonna pick that. Well, 18-yard pickup though. Oh yeah, I'm showing you on my difficulty. My bad. Right here, Heisman. User versus user gonna stay varsity because I don't play user versus user, so I don't think it matters. Uh, User. Here go user stuff. Oh my bad, that's my visual settings. So these my settings. CPU settings. Same thing. This is regular Heisman. Ain't nothing too difficult. I don't play on like the black set or super black set or okay. 3-yard pickup. Um Slants. 3-yard, what, 8-yard pickup? Let's go. Great pickup. 15 yards. Ah, man, come on. 0-yard game. I'm highly disappointed right there. Let's do what I normally do. Yes, sir. Spread the defense out a little bit. Prevent them from running goal line defense. Okay, good Teddy. Good Teddy. We took a what? About what? 2 minutes 32 seconds. That's good. Get to stop? No, of course we don't. They scoring like 3 plays. It seemed like. Now, yeah, I'm just the offensive coordinator, just to let y'all know, so I don't play defense. Man. Bro, what the hell? I swear I didn't turn. That's his in-law. This in-law is broke. The left one is. Look, that's what should happen the first time, but it should be a bigger game. Uh, man, please. Woo. Let me run a read option real quick. They they didn't really stop this earlier, but yeah, they did. Okay, little 3 yard game. I like it. Let's get this first right here. They got 3 linemen, 3D linemen. Get this first, yes sir. Move them chains. Also, this video I don't have my face cam on or webcam on, but next season I should start with the webcam. I don't know. Throw that away. Don't make no dumb decisions. I was gonna force the X right there. I ain't want to. Bro, his nigga serious. Get your fat ass on with that shit. Weak ass blocking. Like, bro, come on. Bro. Come, your fat ass would catch it, bro. Big dumbass. I ain't see dude right there. I want to throw this dude right there. I would have just threw it away. Good catch, Kelly. Like, Kelly, the only wide receiver on this team that really want to win right now. I'm done. He really the only one that's playing like he want to win. Let's score before. Let's control the clock. Score before half. Dang. Okay, we got the first. I thought that was gonna be 30 inches. I thought it was gonna be 30 inches for a minute. Um, bro, come on. Get your fat ass up there and block. Dang. Ooh, block. Oh my god, I did this wrong thing. We can't move a ball on offense. Good catch, Andrews. Like Andrews and Kelly, like the only ones that want to play today. Rest of my wide receivers just not showing up. Uh, Hopefully this worked. Okay, that kind of worked. 3 yard game. Hey, I got an update early on my phone that said Georgia Tech big man's gonna be out the COVID out of the tournament. That's a sad thing for Georgia Tech, but man, bro, you serious? I swear, I hate when this game be doing that unrealistic shit. Like that shouldn't happen at all. No lie. Good catch, Andrews. Like Andrews and K, like the only ones I can rely on right now. I don't like that. Usually I can rely on Skinner, but Skinner ain't been making no noise this game. Bro, I'm 12 minutes into this quarter. Dang. My bad, y'all just heard that. That was my headphones that just fell. Oh, I didn't even see the time. Over here talking and everything. Not even paying attention. So you gotta throw the ball now. Oh yeah, let's do that. Uh Come on, Andrews. Yes, sir. Bro, Andrews is so reliable. Like Andrews is so reliable. He don't even look. He ain't built like a tight end. Dude built like an offensive lineman. He might have been offensive lineman for this season. Like you were so reliable, Andrews. I hope he know that. I hope Andrews know that. He's so reliable. Good catch. I don't know why I called timeout there. I did not have to call timeout right there, but I'm gonna go for this touchdown pass. If that don't work, we just gonna kick a field goal. We're gonna kick a field goal, go to half, um, get the ball right back then. Let's go. Right before half. Come on, quit playing with me. Okay, no big plays. Yes, sir. Let's get this 1 yard line. Am I seeing that right? Bro, what just happened? Oh, man. This can't be good. We're going to run the ball. One yard line. I just want to see what happened. I'm sorry. I'll go to highlights real quick. Yeah. Penalty, bro. What happened? Clipping? It's always clipping in this game, but shoot. They want me to run the ball like this. I don't, oh my gosh. We supposed to come out, get a touchdown, but man, my plans have changed. They have changed. Let's go to this play right now. Hopefully this play work, and I don't get no safety. Yes, sir. My boy Andrews. Whew, now I'm a little bit more comfortable. I'm away from the goal line. Now we can play our style. What we're gonna do? We're gonna run play X power O. Yes, I run like the same plays. Call me same play Jalen. My boy Andrews again. Bro, Andrews is so reliable. It makes no sense. We're gonna run Durham again. I don't like doing this sometimes. Like, I be scared. Like, I be scared running this play sometimes. Normally, I don't throw a pick, but dang, I can't throw the triangle. Gonna get a bounce. We can take a 2-score lead right here. Hey, that'd be big. Let's go halfback stretch. Yup, just get the first down. That's what I was aiming for. Kelly is definitely not having a big game like he did against Michigan State in the Big Ten Championship, but he's definitely not having a quiet game, and I don't like that. Let's run the ball to the outside. Oh, take off. Shoestring tackle. But still a great game. Put me in that field goal range. My field goal kicker is not that good, so I'm really not in field goal range. Like, what would this be? I don't know. Okay. Little AR pickup. I'll take it. We're going to run a halfback stretch again. Block. Yes, sir. My boy Chris Monroe, 4-star prospect from last year. I like it. He should be my star running back next year because Anderson is a senior and he's leaving. Hopefully, he's going to the NFL after three 1,000 plus yard seasons. Let's go. My boy Anderson. Y'all probably heard me say that multiple times in this video. I don't know. I don't know if I've been saying it like that. I might have said that early in the video, but my boy Anderson. That was perfect stick by me, you know. Perfect stick skills. We get to stop. Okay, we don't get to stop. A field goal right here. A field goal right here would end the game because the way y'all play, right now I'm up. We 31 seconds into the third quarter. Yes, sir. My boy Andrews caught that pass. Okay, we're gonna take this to the fourth quarter because I don't like I don't like snapping the ball before when I don't have to. I don't know what I was saying right there, but I don't like snapping the ball when I don't have to. Man, let's get to the fourth quarter. Let's drain this clock. Okay. So the way I play, basically, when I had a lead going into the fourth quarter, is I just play like shoot clock type style. I just run the ball a lot, or I just try to stay in bounds. Now, let me not be dumb. Let me just be smart, play my game. Let's do what I know. And I know first downs, and I know play action power O. So I'm going to do exactly that. Ooh, made him. I got my quarterback crushed. But he stayed in bounds. That's the important thing. He stayed exactly in bounds. Now we can drip a lot of clock. And yes, I do like to run to the right side a lot because that's where my stronger offensive line is. My left side is like lower overall a little bit, but it is what it is. Right side always worked for me. I'm gonna drip this clock. Yo, get that block and get them 6 yards. 6 yard game. Okay. Little nice yards. I really want to throw the ball, but I just want to play smart right now. Just kind of want to play conservative. Get that first. Continue let that clock drip. 20 rushes for 95 yards. I'm happy for Anderson. His last game, his Illinois career. I'm gonna drain this clock down to 1 second, and we're gonna try to get out of here. Come on, clock. Come on. Yup, little 5 yard game, 4 yard game, man. I thought that was a 5 yard game if you ask me, but I want them to waste their time out. We gonna run power O again. We gonna continue to drip this clock. Now I'm not in field goal range with my kicker. I might be actually. I don't. You don't kick field goals when you offensive coordinator for some reason. I do not like that. But let's get a couple more yards. You know, that force a third down. Ah man. Okay, they call a timeout. I want to pass the ball right here, but I want to play smart. Like I want to play conservative, but I don't want to play conservative at the same time. Let's go slants. Let's go slants. We're going okay slants right here. We can't waste clock. Get that ball to Kelly for that first down in this game. We're going to kick the field goal. Not right now, though. It's too early to kick the field goal right now. But, yeah, look at that Irish side. I don't know if I should throw the ball right here. I just kind of want to be, you know, risky with this pass. Ooh, that safety came off. Fuck. See, that's my fault. I can't be doing that. That's what I get. That's exactly what I get, too. They ain't had no more timeouts. I should just try to play it smart. But you know what? We still got our plays, though. We still got our plays. That's completely my fault. We're gonna continue to run the same plays we always do, though. We're gonna continue to get out of bounds. Continue to run this clock. Yep. We're gonna continue to get out of bounds, continue to run this clock. Well, we ain't gonna continue to run the clock because, well, time is not our friend right now. Ain't that? It's more of a defense friend than it is my friend. Yeah, let's get out of bounds. We'll tell you our game. Should we run the same play again? I got 3 timeouts. I got enough time to. Nah, I'm not gonna run the ball just yet. I'm try to play one more time. X is usually open, bro. Y'all have seen me run this play multiple times this recording. Look, yeah, X is usually open. We usually good. Now, this is not where I want. I don't want to give my kicker. Why are all the run plays just bad? Okay. Play didn't even change. And that's why I didn't want to run that play. But they didn't give me no damn run plays in the first place. I got called timeout. Stupid ass. And y'all know y'all probably like, you don't gotta be an ass coach. Well, I don't feel like circling through plays right now. So shut up. Yeah, get out of bounds. 8-yard game. Should I run right here? I'm gonna run it. We're gonna flip the play. Because I want my kicker to get in the best position. Oh, I thought we got the 4th down. You know what? Let's do this. Hold on. We're gonna go no huddle. No huddle. We ain't gonna drift the clock down too much. We're gonna try to drip it down just enough. $10 seconds left. That's enough. 10 seconds left is exactly enough time. We're gonna watch this play. Come on, kicker boy. Did he make it? Hey, let's go. We got that natty. We're gonna watch these next 2 plays. Okay. Touchback. I did not plan for this recording to be 30 minutes. I for sure this recording gonna be about 15. I mean, I can custom parts in and out, but I don't really want to because I don't feel like doing editing. They trying to go for that field goal. Oh no, they might get a touchdown. If they get a touchdown, I'm gonna be heartbroken. This quarterback ain't got that arm. This Everett Golson. That's the Everett Golson. This quarterback ain't got that arm. So we just escaped with the natty. You gotta love it. I love it. Got the natty win. Second natty in my career. Play of the game. I agree. That is the play of the game. We're gonna get out of here. My boy Andrews should have been player of the game. He's the most reliable player in this game for us. So, but hey, it's been your boy Jalen. And that's the end of this recording. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'm out. Peace.